Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you're most welcome to be part of the family. I'm uploading videos every single Sunday, so please consider to subscribe to stay tuned for upcoming videos. So today I decided to share with you my skincare routine. Usually I'm doing all the steps once a week on my day off when I'm kind of doing my pampering day. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Well, it's just the water. The first thing, I'm cleaning my skin with charcoal facial cleanser. Deep cleansing and removes blackheads, and I'm using my favorite Clarisonic for it. And I am cleaning my face. Now I am going to moisturize it with another clear facial cleanser, and what I love about it, it already has the brush out there. Why I love it as well, because I can use it every single day. It's cleansing really nicely, especially after removing your makeup. You can still see if you still have the makeup on your brush or not. So now I will wash my face and we will go for the next step. So I'm back with a new t-shirt, because every single time I'm washing my face, the water goes to the t-shirt. It looks more weird. Anyway, I decided to change the t-shirt so I won't bother myself with all that. So the next step that I am doing, I'm using the collagen bouncing silky clean peeling gel. Taking good amount of it, I am applying it on my face and massaging it into my skin. The last but not least, I am using mud mask, and using this kind of brush, I'm applying it on my face. So now I will leave it for 15 to 20 minutes until it will get dry, and we'll wash it off. And that's how we do it in between. After washing off the mud, I'm applying the Rose Hydrating Toner. Whenever we're talking about skincare, we forget about the neck, always. So never forget about the neck, because it's one of the most important things. And then I will apply Clinique Hydrating Jelly. I'm applying it on my face. Who has oily skin, everyone knows that this is our #1 problem, the pores. So we need to take care of that. And as I said, don't forget about your neck. Done. And for around the eyes, I will be using Mansard. So then taking tiny bit and applying it under the eyes. And the last thing, we never will forget about our lips, right? So I'm using this beauty right here, Lip Care Balm with shea butter and avocado oil. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, and hit that like button just to make me happy. So previously I already did a hair care routine, and I shared steps of mine for taking care about your hair. So here is the video right here. Feel free to check it out right after this video, and till then, see you in my next video.